starting off with our pecan halves. Now I'm coming in with my caramel bits, and we're just gonna add a couple of those bits right into each of our muffin cups, just like so. Not too many, I might have added too many out of those first few, just like 5 or 6 in each muffin tin. And I did grease this muffin tin. All right, now I'm gonna grab my Rhodes dinner rolls, and we're gonna place one roll into each of our cup with our caramels and our pecans. This is gonna be such a fun and delicious little fall time treat. It's all my favorite fall flavors, pecan and caramel. And then these Rhodes biscuits are just the best because they're extra fluffy and they just taste amazing. And we're just adding a nice little sweet spin, making some sweet buns, because who doesn't love a sweet bun during the fall time?
I love sweet buns.
Yeah. Now we're just gonna sprinkle this with our sugar and cinnamon mixture, just a nice little sprinkle right on top of each of our little rolls. Now, if you don't wanna add the extra sugar, you could just do a cinnamon on top, but I want these to be sweet, so we're gonna continue on with those flavors, and this is gonna be incredible. Oh my goodness, I am so excited for you guys to see how these come out. Yum. All right, so these need to rise. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my plastic wrap, and I'm gonna make sure to pull out the size of my muffin tin, and then I need my assistant to come in and spray it with some Pam. Perfect. And then this is just gonna go right on top of our Rhodes cinnamon rolls, just like so. Grab some scissors.
Just so you know, I'm your husband, not your assistant.
All right, and these are ready to be set on the counter until they have fully risen. All right, these have fully risen. So we're gonna go ahead and take off our plastic wrap. We only lost a little bit of cinnamon there. And then my oven is set to 350, and we are gonna bake these for about 20 minutes. All right, while those are in the oven, I'm gonna grab a small bowl and a fork. And I have here some powdered sugar that we're gonna add to our bowl. We're gonna add about half a cup of powdered sugar. That looks about right. And then we are gonna add a splash of our whole milk. Any milk will work, half and half, heavy cream, whatever you have, just use that. That should be plenty, about a tablespoon. And then we are gonna mix this together to create a delicious icing for those sweet buns that are cooking in the oven. All right, and this is the consistency we're looking for. So let's go ahead and put that to the side and check out our sweet buns. Oh my goodness, look how incredible these look. They actually were only in the oven for about 12 minutes and they look beautifully golden brown. So it is time, the moment of truth, to flip these out and see those beautiful pecans and caramel. Just gotta be extra careful when you do this, but let's count it out.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
All right, so let's go ahead and grab that icing. And we are just gonna drizzle that icing all over our sweet buns. Oh my goodness, these are gonna be so good with those little caramels and the pecans. All right.
These look so delicious.
Perfect. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go for this one right here. It's calling my name.
Is it good?
That is so good. Definitely recommend the icing. It just adds the perfect sweetness. You gotta try them.